Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about OECD internship program in France that is also a fully funded program by the government of France. So let's have a look on this. The application are invited to apply for the OECD internship program in France 2022. The OECD internship is a prestigious internship program of France for international students. This internship in France is open to students who are pursuing bachelor, master and PhD degrees. It means students of undergraduate, master and PhD students can apply for OECD France internship program. The internship will select 500 interns who are committed as well as enrolled in bachelor, master and PhD programs. The program is held in Paris. The duration of the internship is 6 months. This is an opportunity for the international students. The majority number of internships are based in Paris, France. The selected internship will have a chance to do an internship in France or remotely from home. So it's depend upon COVID situation. Again, note that this is a paid internship program. The main goal is to give successful candidates the opportunity to improve their analytical and technical skills in an international environment. So details about OECD internship program in France. The internship country is France, and usually I also share with you and very interesting information is that the capital of France is Paris. Internship for students who are in their bachelor program or master program and PhD program. Financial coverage is fully funded and deadlines are 1st March 2022 and 1st September 2022, 1st March 2023 and 1st September 2020. So it means that it's depend upon you whenever you want to apply for this internship program. The number of internships are 500 internship per year for international students. Internship duration is maximum duration for the internship is 6 months. And the internship areas are audit, information technology, legal services, office administration, human resources, translation, communication, media and public relations, event management, finance, budget and accountant. Artificial intelligence are also include bribery and corruption, climate, competition, corporate governance, development, economy, education and skills, employment, energy, environment, finance, gender and diversity, health, inclusive growth, industry innovation and entrepreneurship, insurance and pensions, international migration, investment, public governance, regional development, regulatory reform, science and technology, statistics, tax, tourism, trade and agriculture and transport. Benefit of the internship. The monthly financial assistance of €700 will be given to every selected intern. The OECD staff will give assistance to the interns in visa processing, an opportunity to stay for 6 months into work at OECD. The internship may be renewable for 12 months depending on the performance of the intern. So this is very good opportunity. It will depend upon your performance in 6 months whether your internship will be renewable or not. Eligibility criteria. The applicant must be enrolled in bachelor, master and PhD degree programs. The applicant age must be less than 65 years. The applicant must ensure availability at least for 1 month. Deadlines are there are 4 deadlines per year. The application is open all year. The deadlines are 1st March 2022 and 2023 and 1st September 2022 and 2023. How to apply? Visit to the official website of OECD internship program. So this is the official website. So you have to go to the online application form. So this is the guys online application form. Internship program 2022 for winter. So apply. Click on here. Apply. First of all, you have to create your account, username, your name, your password, your enter password and email address and re-enter email address. Then register from here. After registering yourself, they will send you an email address. Then login from there. Put your username here, password here, username. Okay. So this is your application form. You have to write your. As I started my application, so you have to start your own application from your personal. Put your personal information, your qualification, your work experience, your reference, skill and pre-screening, and review and submit it. So guys, The aim of my video is to know you that how you direct and how you can access this online application form. Hope so you guys understand that how you can apply for this internship program in finance. So don't waste your time. Apply as soon as possible for this prestigious internship program. You have to put your all information here. First of all, your qualification question. After that, save and continue with your personal information. This is your personal information form. After that, save and continue and to go to qualification, then your work experience, then references and skill and pre-screening question and review and submit it. Guys, hope so you understand that now how you can apply for this internship program. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.